Alright guys, it's Outdoors with Clay with a new video. I've seen some videos. So I have a 2007 Ford F-150 with the extended cab, so it's got the half doors. I've seen so many videos where there's an issue where, I mean, they just don't open. It's a pain in the butt, right? Pain in the butt. So we have my truck. Alright, make sure you guys go follow the Instagram. There's supposed to be a dot there. It didn't come when I put this on, and I've been too lazy to honestly like put one on there because I could have if I wanted to. And then, you know, you guys, we have the cones. That's how you guys know it's me. So the reason we're talking about, or the reason I'm making this video today, is there's such a huge issue with these half doors not opening. And it's usually with the Ford F-150 2004 to 2008. And I can tell you exactly why. I know exactly why they break and what the issue is. All over YouTube, there's like these cheap $8 fixes, blah blah blah, and honestly, it just makes it more difficult. One, it's harder to put on. This is like super simple, easy way I can show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys on one door, because it's the same for both doors pretty much. Just make sure when you buy the cable kit that I'm gonna put in the description, that make sure you guys use the right side. Like, you'll be able to figure out which side is which. And there's a bunch of different little components that it'll stun you for a second. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna take the door panels off, get into the video. I actually just watched Garrett Porter, which is actually the son of one of my old shop teachers, who really got me into working on my own truck. So I very much appreciate both of you guys. You know, Garrett, I look up to you because if you guys can see, I've always enjoyed doing YouTube stuff. A little bit different stuff, but I mean, mine's all outdoors, you know, trucks, fishing, hunting, doing survival challenges, all kinds of stuff. It's summer right now, so I mean, videos, I'm gonna be able to start pumping those out more. I'm very excited, and I did this yesterday, probably about an hour. I mean, it didn't take that long. It should not have taken that long. It took me a second to figure everything out. So let me show you guys, long story short, so you guys can get to doing it. But make sure you replace the whole entire cable system instead of just like the little, I'll show you guys in a second. All right, okay. So, damn, I look good. Okay. Ooh. Hold on, let me show the muscles. Hold on, yeah. You know that, what's the thing, that's what they do. Ooh, okay, I'm just playing around, okay. So I'm going to the store real quick, going to grab some tools. I'm gonna finally get my own tool set from my truck. It'll be great. So I'm gonna go grab that and we'll get back to working on the video. If it gets too dark, I have a work light, so I'll turn that on and I'll show you guys everything you need to do. Let's get back into it. Oh yeah, guys, look at that graduate right there. Ooh, hot rod. Oh, it went away, yeah. Where'd it go? We're on AutoZone, time to go get the tool set. This is what we want. Look at all these tools, I love tools. Gotta find a decent tool set and just buy it, bro. I think, where is it? There's one that I saw online that looked really good. All right, guys, look how exciting. Look, brand new. All of it's brand stinking new. So exciting. As stupid as this is, like, I enjoy like being able to have tools and stuff that I'm supposed to. I need this for my truck for anything. Look, it's got all the way up to a 7/8. This thing is massive. Anyway, let's get back working on this truck. We're gonna do it in the parking lot. Got the sunset in the background. Looks pretty nice. So we're gonna do it out here, get it set up, and get it done. All right, guys. So let's retry this. Take that off. Again, be careful of the plastic. You don't want to snap it. And then you want to make sure you take this piece off. Snap it off. Be careful of these two things right here that keep that you have to press to disconnect the window wiring, the wiring for the door, for the window, to connect all of it when they're going up and down. So now you got all that. Make sure you take this piece off. And then you have this. So you use a 6mm. Yep. Basically, for the pieces, this is what it comes off of. Make sure you use the piece. Keep them in a safe spot. So you don't lose them. So as you can see, we got the bottom one off. So there's two right here, and I'll show you guys. Well, that was loud. Anyway, we're gonna take this part off. Got it. Remember, keep these in a safe spot. Alrighty. So this part, it literally just comes up like that. So now you can see, like, I took the whole door off, and then, alright, you guys are gonna need a T25. So T25. So I forgot the exact bit thing. I think it's called like a star bit or something. So if you can't get the door open in the first place, you're gonna have to take this off because this part won't open because it doesn't have enough cable tension. Someone's got their Honda Civic popping. Anyway, so as you can see right there, it's so easy to take off. And you see these little yellow, you see this little yellow piece right there? So they'll probably be white because they'll be so discolored. But this whole entire system will come with new ones, so you'll have to, I use a knife to pop them out. They just go right in this little hole you'll see in these cables. They just fit right in. Fit right on there, like that. Alright, so as you guys can see, there's 3 bolts here at the bottom. Pretty easy to undo. So you see how this part moved? So this part is all locked in with like insulation type, not insulation, but it's like a glue type. I already ripped mine off. So all you have is this left, right? This is the bottom part. Now I can show you guys how to work on it. All right. So when you're replacing this, so you have the whole component, you get the whole component like this. These little yellow pieces, they're probably, like I said, they're probably gonna be white. I don't know if you guys can see right now because I zoomed in. There's a little white piece that's right here. But it actually goes in from the front, so you're going to want to have it like this. And it's like a little lever to help remove it. Something, I guess, I don't know, to be honest. But you're going to fit it through. And fit right into the front. Right into there. So you have it like that. And I want to put it all back together in a time lapse so you guys will be able to see it. Cable in there, cable holder, snaps in, and your Dragon business brand new. Your door will open and close like it's nobody's business, you know, open and close, open and close. So before you do all that work, putting it back on, make sure you close the door close it, and there's a little lever right here. So what you're gonna do on that black lever is you are going to, after you close it, make sure you pull on it once you close it. Make sure it works. Make sure you pull this through, hold this up here. You kind of feel it lock in place, and just push it. There we go. Forget about this bottom, the bottom one, the one that's down here. I know, I'll show you guys real quick. All right, so you can see where that little pocket is real quick down here. Go here. So now we got that in place. Snap this back on. Boom, just go click like that. Snap back right on. This, don't forget about that. You know, it should be all good. And you guys see this notch right here. That goes right in here. All brand new, all good. And then don't forget about this right here before you put on the door thing. So everything else is gonna be a 6mm, and this is the only different one. This one is a 8mm. It goes right into here. So right here, as you see, this is the button I was talking about right here. That pushes in. You look for this little nodule right here. Place it in. It's pretty easy to tell how it fits through. Make sure you slide these in like that, and boom, it's connected. All right, here we go. So the goal is to keep it, so sometimes when you put it in, it'll be like that, or if you put it in the wrong way, it'll be like that, and it'll be stuck. What do you want to do? Try to keep it in the middle. When you're getting it in there, it can be a pain, especially when you're only using one hand, so you can record. But I want you guys to be able to see. It's not easy, and it's not just you guys. So once you get it in the spot you think it goes, pull it like that, and you'll be able to know. And then same with this, I gotta hold it. It's hard to hold it in place. Okay, there you go. So it should move like this. And it should also move like this to be able to open and close it. Last part you guys are going to want to do, you see this little slit right here? That goes at the top, so you make sure you put this in here at the bottom after you screw these two in. And I mean, it's a pretty easy to work around. And there you go. So now you have a door that can open like that. You can also like that. And it works, opens and closes perfectly fine. I'm gonna put the links in the description of the left one and the right one. I just worked on the left one, the driver's side, half of your door. So it's super easy, super simple to work on. Anyone can do it, really. Just follow the video. If you guys found the video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, you know, let me know what you guys thought. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy. You just gotta be able to make sure you have time. That was my only issue of not being able to get it done, was time. So make sure you guys go follow Instagram. Make sure you guys, if you see me with the cones in the back and you guys know who I am, you know, make sure you honk the horn, be like, hey Clay, what's up? Anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Outdoors with Clay, which is me, and we are outdoors, and I'm Clay. So you guys are outdoors with Clay. Working on the truck today. We do fishing, hunting, car stuff, you know, survival challenges outside, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna try to start doing a lot more truck stuff. And yeah, I finally got the toolkit. I'm very happy about this. So it was 25 bucks. You know, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, go check out the other videos, and have a great day.